Welcome back to this video. For everyone that are using Google AI Studio, whether you are using it to chat or create something, it is important to enable save search history in order not to lose some of important chat or some of important workflow in your Google AI Studio. I'm going to show you on how to simply enable chat history save into your Google account in your Google AI Studio. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up Chrome browser, click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then go ahead and click on here and type in aistudio.google.com. Hit on search. And you'll be taken to your workstation right here. So on getting to your workstation, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner right here. Then take you right here. Go ahead and click on enable saving right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on enable saving. Then it's going to open up like so. Go ahead and select your Google account. And it is that simple. Then from here, you can easily view your history right here. So click on here to view your history so far. So if you have any history in your chat studio, everything is going to be found right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Google AI Studio, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.